Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do vertical division. This essential mathematical process helps us divide larger numbers into smaller, more manageable parts. We will break down the steps, making it easy to understand and apply. Vertical division, also known as long division, is a foundational skill that simplifies complex calculations, allowing you to find precise quotients and remainders with confidence and ease. To begin, set up your division problem correctly. First, write the dividend, which is the number being divided, inside the division bracket. Then, place the divisor, the number you are dividing by, outside and to the left of the bracket. Proper alignment of these numbers is absolutely crucial for a smooth calculation. This initial setup forms the foundation for all subsequent steps in the vertical division process. Now, let's perform the division. Start by dividing the first one or two digits of the dividend by the divisor. Write the resulting quotient digit directly above the dividend. Next, multiply this quotient digit by the divisor and subtract that product from the corresponding part of the dividend. Finally, bring down the next digit from the dividend to form a new number and repeat these steps until all digits are used. After completing all the division steps, you might have a number left over. This is your remainder. Remember, the remainder must always be smaller than your divisor. To verify your work, multiply your final quotient by the divisor. Then, add any remainder to that product. This sum should perfectly match your original dividend, confirming the accuracy of your vertical division calculation. This final check ensures your answer is correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.